Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will explain to you how to fix Huawei phone won't charge. Everyone is on their phones. If you're one of them, having a Huawei phone not charging at all will be a hassle for you. After plugging the device into a charger, you find the Huawei phone battery is not charging as the battery percentage doesn't go up or you don't see the charging icon. It sucks, but there is always a fix for that. Now, walk through the reasons why a Huawei phone isn't charging when plugged in. Then, try all the steps here in the order we present. The instructions here work for almost all series of Huawei phones including Mate series, Pura series, Pocket series, Ascend W series, Ascend Y series, Nova series, Ascend GX series, G series, T series, U series, Y series, Honor series, Enjoy series and so on. Why is my Huawei phone not charging? What should I do? Is this the question you will ask when your Huawei device has the problem of not charging? Generally speaking, there are several common reasons why Huawei phones cannot charge. The good news is that most of them are very simple and easy to fix. 1. Charging cable or adapter problem. A damaged charging cable or adapter is one of the reasons why Huawei phone is not charging. 2. Phone charging port problem. The phone charging port may have poor contact or be directly damaged, causing Huawei phone isn't charging. 3. Battery problem. Your Huawei phone battery has reached the end of its life and can no longer charge normally. 4. Overheat protection. If the Huawei device is overheated, it may also automatically start the overheat protection mode, so it cannot charge temporarily. 5. Water ingress problem. If the Huawei phone cannot charge after being soaked in water, it may be that the internal circuit causes Huawei phone not charging when plugged in. Now, it's time to know the solution of how to fix Huawei phone not charging. Please try all the methods below first. We believe that there will be a solution that works for your Huawei phone. If you have other questions, you can tell us in the comment section below the video, and we will get back to you within 24 hours. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like or leave a message to tell us which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to check the charging cable and charger. If you find that your Huawei phone battery won't charge, you should first check whether the charging cable and charger are normal. You can use the charging cable and charger to charge other devices to see if it can charge normally. If not, it may be that your charging cable and charger are faulty. At this point, you can also try to connect the computer to the Huawei phone with the charging cable to see if it can charge normally. At this point, you should be able to know whether it is a problem with the charging cable or charger. Method 2 is to check the charging port of the phone. If you can charge other devices normally using the charging cable and charger, then you should check whether the charging port is normal. Sometimes, there will be dust, particles or other foreign matter on the charging port, which causes poor contact between the charger and the charging port, resulting in Huawei phone battery not charge. So please check whether there is dust, particles or other foreign matter on the charging port. If there is, please clean it in time. Try to charge the Huawei phone again after cleaning. You can also check whether the Huawei phone screen is normal. If the Huawei phone screen is faulty, it may also make people mistakenly think that charging has not started. Method 3 is to check whether the phone is overheated and water ingress. If your phone is charged when the temperature is high and you are using the phone, then the charged power may not support the power used. Huawei phone doesn't charge, because if the phone is overheated, the smartphone may automatically enable overheat protection mode. You need to wait for the phone to cool down and try to charge the phone again. If your Huawei phone can't charge after being soaked in water, first, make sure that the Huawei device is completely dry. If not, place the Huawei device in rice or other dry places. Wait for it to dry and try to charge the Huawei phone again. If it still doesn't work, then continue to try the following method. Method 4 is to restart the Huawei phone. Sometimes, just a simple restart of the Huawei phone can fix the problem of Huawei phone won't charge and restore the Huawei phone to normal. Restarting can eliminate software-related glitches and clear certain caches. To restart the Huawei phone, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, and a restart interface will appear. Click the restart icon on the shutdown interface, and your Huawei phone will start to restart after clicking. After waiting for the restart to complete, check again if the can't charge Huawei phone problem still exists. Method 5 is to force restart. If your Huawei phone still can't charge after restarting, you can also try a forced restart. Sometimes a forced restart can solve problems that cannot be solved by restarting, so please continue to try a forced restart. Please long press the combination of keys, power button and volume down button, for Huawei phone to force restart. Long press the combination of keys for 10 seconds or more, and wait for the logo or vibration to appear on the screen of Huawei phone. At this time, you can let go, and your Huawei phone will automatically restart. After the restart is completed, try to charge the phone with a charger again to see if the problem of Huawei phone won't charge is solved. Method 6 is to start safe mode. When the forced restart does not work, and you have recently updated or downloaded a third-party application, problems with the third-party application will also cause Huawei phone won't charge or turn on. Sometimes the application is incompatible or other failures when updating the operating system or adding new features are also possible causes of Huawei phone won't charge with any charger. And check whether it is caused by a third-party application. Safe mode is a very good way. Safe mode will allow your device to start with only the minimum required to run. Third-party applications will not affect your phone in safe mode. Here are the steps to enter safe mode. Please long press the power button until the restart interface appears. Then long press the restart icon for about 1 to 3 seconds, and the click to enter safe mode and safe mode icons will appear. Please click it, and your Huawei phone should restart and boot into safe mode with the safe mode logo on the screen. If the touch screen works normally in safe mode, there may be a problem with the apps you downloaded. At this time, you need to find and delete all problematic apps. To exit safe mode, just restart your phone. Method 7 is to go to the official after sales center. If all the methods in this video cannot fix the problem of Huawei phone not charging, it may be that the hardware on the Huawei phone is faulty or damaged, such as the battery, charging port, or internal hardware. It is recommended that you contact the Huawei After Sales Service Center as soon as possible, and they will provide you with professional diagnosis and repair services. If you think this video is helpful to you and think we did a good job, please like and share it and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think we need to improve, you can also express your opinions and suggestions in the comment area. Thank you. Good luck.